Hi guys, Gigi here. In our previous video, we showed you how to make this blanket scarf. Don't worry, if you messed up, the length is just 11.
So, in today's video, I'll be showing you 20 amazing ways to wear a blanket scarf, including some of my favorite styles, tips and tricks on how to make your blanket scarf look good. Okay guys, let's start by folding your blanket scarf into a triangle.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.
Simple but stylish. Now that you have your triangle, simply drape it around your shoulder to create this classic look. A blanket scarf can be so versatile. Just by adding the belt, you can change the look dramatically. The thought of the day is never be afraid to experiment. The necktie shawl is another great way to wear a blanket scarf. I like tying it as necktie, but you can tie it any way you like. So much of fashion has been influenced by Audrey Hepburn's style. Can you see yourself riding down the ocean road? The top down, wind in your hair, not a problem, not a care. I just love this style. It's so easy to match with any outfit. As you can see, the knot is hidden under your scarf in this style. I think in style like this really yells something different about your outfit. How to wear a blanket scarf the Mexican way? Well, you just have to drape the blanket scarf around your neck. I experimented a little and came up with this. this look says, I just throw this on. And to do it, you literally throw a scarf on. I recommend pinning for a maximum staying power. Nothing works better than a pull-through or tuck-in drape. Blanket scarf can be so long and lean. Just make sure that the whole scarf is around your neck and not your shoulder. Well, that's all for today, guys. So, what do you think? Which way is your favorite? How do you like to wear your blanket scarf? If you have any suggestion, please don't hesitate to comment below.